Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo guy from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up and basically introduce you my 5th generation Gizmo Guy gadget. Here it is. Okay, so this is our latest 5th generation Gizmo Guy gadget that we all been waiting for. At least I've been waiting for. Okay, so it comes with a single dialer. Okay, so you can set up, you can adjust the volume as well as setting up the right station. So there's two ways to go about it. Okay, so you see that 87.9, you can go to any station. Okay, you can go to any station, but 87.9 work for 99% of the people, so there's no reason that you want to go elsewhere. So 87.9. Okay, but if you want to adjust it, just long press and you flash. Then you can adjust to whatever number that you want. Let's say 107 point something, 10.7. Okay, so let's say if that's a station that you want, you just long press again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now that we just changed the setting of the channel. Okay, so but I would still prefer 87.9. So we'll just go back to 87.9. So long press 87.9 is the other one. 87.9. So 87.9. We like it. Okay, we'll leave it and just press it again. So 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and it will stay. Okay, and there's a forward button. Okay, now you can jump to the next song, and we'll do that in a little bit. And the backward button, you can also go back, reverse. And this is a display. Okay, and there's a magnetic thing. So there's 3M thing. Okay, there's 3M tape. So after you hook up the wires and all that, we'll go do that. Okay, all you got to just put this onto fix anywhere near your car stereo or steering wheel, and then it will just stick there. Okay, so this is the controller part of it. So it's very simple. Okay, because I want to keep it simple because you don't really need to have all that. If the sound quality is good enough, that's all that matters. Okay, simplicity is what I after. That's the motto Gizmo Guy Gadget. Okay, simplicity is everything because we're lazy. Okay, so anyway, so this transmitter, this is the controller. Okay, and there's one wire. There's only one wire for power. Okay, so in the middle, you'll notice that there's this little clunky thing. Okay, this is the noise filter, the ground noise filter. This is what makes all the difference. Okay, this is what gives you clear CD quality sound. Okay, so then we'll go down. Okay, then the wire split into two. One is the 3.5 millimeter jack. The other one is the USB for power. Okay, if you have an aux input in your car, you can just go ahead and plug it in. But I personally prefer using USB, and it actually sounds better than the aux, believe it or not. On Gizmo Guy Gadget actually sounds better than direct hookup through auxiliary. Okay, so it's actually, you can do it auxiliary. Okay, it'll sound as good, but I personally think that USB going through Bluetooth actually sounds better. You can tell me once you get my product. Okay, so that is the basic part of this Gizmo Guy Gadget. Okay, walking you through the product. The product is very simple. Just a controller with a one wire. You plug in for power, and you're ready to go. Okay, and you can watch my other video for other stuff.